Narration, right? Yesterday we discussed basic rules, that is how to change pronouns, and then one more thing, that is tense. Okay. So now we are going to discuss interrogative. I hope you know. Yes, no, and then WH, right? Yes, no. The questions that can be answered in yes, no. Can you help me? Yes, no. Have you completed your work? Yes, no. Right? Got it? Yes, no. Yes, have you submitted the subject enrichment activity? No. Are you going to get 0? No. Yes. Is it okay? Got it? Clear? I think yes, no, clear. Right? So, for yes, no, first is when yes, no type means the questions that can be answered in yes or no. The questions begin with helping verb or modal auxiliaries. Can you help me? Can, modal auxiliary. Are you, helping verb. Is it okay? Clear? So, first rule is use. You have to use this conjunction. Keep this thing in your mind. Not use. Is it okay? Yes, both. Means when interrogative sentences are there, you will not use that as a conjunction. Is it okay? When the question can be answered in yes or no, that time you are going to use if or whether. Choose one. Is it okay? Clear? Means you cannot write like this. She asked me that if. Only if. Clear? Second basic and important rule is change interrogative sentences into declarative. How to change that? This is the structure of which type? Yes, interrogative means question, right? Now you need to change. So it will change into subject plus verb plus full stop. Got it? Subject plus verb plus full stop. Is it clear? Sure? Okay then. Next is, I'll give you one sentence. She said to me, can I help you? So she said to me, can I help you? Right? Can I help you now? Can, it means yes, no type. So you will change this. Asked, wanted to know, demanded, inquired. Yes. Asked me if, right? Now change the places. I, first person pronoun changes according to she. So she asked me if she could help. I don't have. Where? Good. Yes, yes. Done? Clear? Is it clear? Give one to me also. Thank you. Now next is WH. WH. See, for WH also, the rules are same. Yes. Means the questions that begin with WH words, right? If the question begins with WH word, then the rule is very simple. The conjunction is this WH word itself. Means you are not supposed to use any other conjunction. Got it, Saksham? Is it clear? Sure? So, other rule is change the place of subject and verb again. Yes, this is same for both. Is it clear? Okay, then answer this. Now, she said to me, where are you going? See, wait. I'll give you other sentences. Just wait. She asked me, she asked me where as a conjunction. Change the places where you, second form, where I was going. And then full stop. Done? Clear? Okay, then now write down the sentences if you don't have any doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Any doubt? Sure? Okay, then write down the sentences. Questions also? These are the questions. Six sentences. Done? Done? Only first? Okay, all. Shall we start the discussion? So, they said to me, have you gone to London? Okay, let's begin from this line. Anshika, start. They asked me if I had gone to London. Right? Same answer? Sure? No? Different answer? What is your answer? What? It's asked. Okay. Then? Yes, you can. Okay, she said, are they waiting for me? She asked if they were waiting for her. No? Yes? Yes, this is the answer. Next, she said to me, can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? Okay, Vedanti. She asked me if she could use my phone. Correct? Okay. Yes, it can. Check the spelling. It's W-H. W-H-E. Next is, David said to me, how are you? David asked me that you cannot use that. David asked me how I was. Correct? Yes. Next is, teacher said to her, why did you fail the exam? Let's see how many of you have written the correct answer. Right? Okay. Parisha. Correct? Sure? Very good. Yes, correct. So as did means used as a main verb here, right? It means it is simple past, and simple past changes to past perfect, right? So it is, teacher asked her why she had failed the exam. Done? Clear? Very good. Next is, Ram said to her, how will you help me? How will you help me? Ram asked her how she would help him. Is it okay? So Ram asked her how she would help him. Done? Clear? Sure? Any doubt? Confirm? Okay then. Now, can anyone tell me about transitive, intransitive? Anyone? What are transitive verbs? That's it? Okay, Somil. Okay, transitive, objects, and intransitive, no object, right? So let's, yes. What happened? I have not asked any question. Yes, 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 yes. The pattern means structure is subject plus. This is which type? Sure? Yes, this is transitive. Transitive. This is subject. This is the doer. This is receiver who receives the action. Clear? Right? And for intransitive, this part is missing. Object is missing. And in place of object, sometimes adverbs, sometimes adjectives, complements, these are used. Correct? Sure? So it means I can give you, yes, yes, correct. So I can give you sentences, right? Okay, now, type of questions that you can ask. Yes, Adhika. By asking the question. Okay, to whom, for whom. What? When you ask the question, what? Which kind of object you get? Direct object. And when you ask to whom or for whom? Indirect. You have to keep this thing in your mind. Is it okay? Clear? It can answer what or who, direct object. And if indirect, then to whom, for whom. Clear? Okay, now. Yes, so sentences. Let me ask you the sentences. Get ready. Yes, you can write. It is your wish. Keep your pencils, pens ready. First sentence. Very simple sentence. Ram recycled old bottles. Let me write. Let me write. Wait. Wait. Okay, then. Next is done. Done? Huh? Huh? Yes, you have to underline. Whether asked or not, you have to underline. Okay? Yes. Ram recycled old bottles. Wait. Okay, Angel. Okay, you are saying recycled, transitive, and old bottles, direct object. Is it correct? Yes. No, 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 no. Dennis, Geeta complains frequently.
Complains intransitive.
Complains intransitive. And this word, isn't it object? Why?
Non-receiver.
Okay, then frequently is?
Adverb.
Yes, it is an adverb. Adverb. Okay, then is Manish offered Lina a cake. Okay. नहीं you हाँ Somil. Offered transitive. Okay. Priya baked the cake. This is very simple. Right? I think you all know the answer. Yes, Shreyas, correct. Baked, and that is transitive. My cousin moved to another city now. Moved, intransitive. Sure? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So it means this part is also clear. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask. Means the two topics that almost. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Third sentence. Manish offered Lina a cake. Offered. Transitive. Transitive. Can anyone tell me the object? Garvit. Cake is object. What about Lina? Receiver means Lina is also object. Cake is direct object. Lina is indirect object. Clear? Sure? Okay then. So it means two topics and you are now ready for the test. And I hope you will get full marks without cheating. Yes?